Bonjour, monsieur André. Ça va?
Ça va très bien, merci. Et toi?
Ça va bien.
Ça, c'est cool. Bienvenue en classe.
Merci.
Très bien. Quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui, Wamboy?
La date jeudi?
Oui. Le 15.
Oh, le 15
Oui.
octobre
Octobre
2020.
2020. Très, très bien.
I'm going to start by saying that we are going to learn about time. Kindly read the title. Lisez ce titre pour nous, Amboy.
Une journée scolaire?
Oui, une journée scolaire. Et ça, c'est quoi en anglais?
A school day or a day in school?
Oui, a day in school, une journée scolaire. And now this is where we are going to learn about time. L'heure. When you look at this clock here, on top, you can find the noun l'heure. That is time. Nancy, répète ça. L'heure.
L'heure.
L'heure is a feminine noun. At the top right, we have à quelle heure. You can find we have used quelle, that interrogative adjective in feminine, indicating that heure is feminine. So we say à quelle heure means at what time. Nancy répète à quelle heure.
À quelle heure?
Good. At what time? Écrivez pour nous, quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Très bien. Wamboy répète, quelle heure est-il?
Quelle heure est-il?
Good. Est-il, because we are doing this T to I.
Oui.
You remember the inversion you had done with the verb to be. You remember where we had ile, then it became est-il. You remember that?
Yes.
Yes. Now, when we are reading, we always join T to I to become est-il. Quelle heure est-il? What is the time? And before we proceed, I would like you to know that in French, we normally have two systems of giving time. We have the 24 hours clock system. And this is the most frequently used 24 hours clock system. That's the most common. Then we have the 12 hours clock system. It is not commonly used, but it is important to learn about it. So in this case, we are going to use numbers 1 to 24 and up to 60 because of minutes. So whenever we are giving time, we start by saying it is, il est. So we start with il est. Now it is 17 hours. So we can say il est 17 heures. Il est 17 heures. Nancy, can you say il est 17 heures?
Il est 17 heures.
Yes, remember number 17 is 17. 17.
Oui.
So 17, when it is followed by heure, we tend to join to become 17 heures. Répète.
Il est 17 heures.
Très bien. Wamboy, il est 17 heures.
Il est 17 heures.
Très bien. Now, if we add maybe 5 minutes after 17, it's going to be il est 17h05. Il est 17h05. Wamboy répète.
Il est 17h05.
Très bien, Nancy. Il est 17h05.
Il est 17h05.
Très bien. Now, suppose we make it 7 minutes after 17 hours. Nancy, quelle heure est-il?
Il est 17h07.
Très bien. Il est 17h07. Wamboy, it is now 10 minutes after 17. Quelle heure est-il?
Il est 17h10.
Très bien. Il est 17h10. Nancy, it is now 15 minutes after 17. Quelle heure est-il?
Il est 17h15.
Très bien. Il est 17h15. Il est 17h15. And something else I should add is that in French, we don't say 15 minutes. We only say it is 17 hours 5. We assume that that 5 must be minutes. So we don't say il est 17h10 minutes, no. We just say il est 17h10, only that. Now,
Yeah.
one boy, it is now 17 hours 20 minutes. Quelle heure est-il?
Il est 17h20.
Très bien. Nancy, it's now 25 minutes after 17 hours. Quelle heure est-il?
Il est 17h25.
Fantastique. Il est 17h25. One boy, it's now 17:30. Quelle heure est-il?
Il est 17h30.
Très bien. Il est 17h30. Il est 17h30. Now, Nancy, it is 35 minutes after 17. Quelle heure est-il?
Il est 17h35.
Très bien. Now, before I proceed, I would like to say something. When we have gone beyond the mark of 30 minutes, it is also possible to say, in this case, it is 25 minutes to 18 hours. We normally say in French, it is 18 hours less 25 minutes. It is 18 hours less. That is literally. So it is, il est 18h moins 25. Can we say moins, one boy?
Moi,
25.
25.
So it now becomes, il est 18h moins 25. Il est 18h moins 25. One boy, répète.
Il est 18h moins 25.
Très bien. Nancy, il est 18h moins 25.
Il est 18h25.
Très bien. Maintenant, it is 1740. First of all, one boy say it is 1740.
Il est 17h40.
Oui, 40. 40. Il est 17h40. Il est 17h40. Then tell us also, one boy, that it's now 20 minutes to 18 hours.
Il est 18h moins 20. Moins 20.
Oui, très bien, très bien. Il est 18h moins 20. Il est 18h moins 20. Très bien. Nancy, now tell us it is 17 hours 45 minutes.
Il est 17h45.
Très bien. Il est 17h45. Now tell us it is 15 minutes to 18 hours.
Il est 18h moins 15.
Fantastique. Oui, il est 18h moins 15. Très bien. Wamboy, now tell us it is 1750.
Il est 17h50.
Oui, très bien. Il est 17h50. Also, you can tell us it is now 10 minutes to 18 hours. Quelle heure est-il?
Il est 18h moins 10.
Très bien. Maintenant, non, c'est tell us it is 1755.
Il est 17h55.
Magnifique. Il est 17h55. Now tell us it is 5 minutes to 18 hours. Quelle heure est-il?
Il est 18h moins 5.
Très bien. Now, Amboy, tell us it is 18 hours on the dot.
Il est 18 heures.
Très bien. Il est 18 heures. Now, tell us it is 19 hours.
Il est 19h.
Good. Wamboi, tell us, it is 20 hours.
Il est 20 heures.
Oui, il est 20 heures. Il est 20 heures and 21 hours. Or chef, kindly write it in letters, in words. 21. Il est 21 heures. So when we come to 21, because of the hour, so 1 becomes feminine. So you normally say il est 21 heures.
Il est 21 heures.
Nancy, répète ça.
Il est 21 heures.
Très bien. Now let's go to 22 hours. Wamboi, tell us it's 22 hours.
Il est 22 heures.
Oui, il est 22 heures.
Il est
Now,
22 heures.
très bien, très bien, très bien. Now it goes on that way until when we come to 23:59, we now don't go to 24, but you go to 0 hour. We go to 0 hour. So you say il est 0 heure. Oui, and please note that heure has no S because it is 0 hour. And that 0 hour is treated like any other hour. Because we can say if it is like 5 minutes after 0 hours, we can say il est 0 heure 5. If it is 10 after, we can say il est 0 heure 10. Just like the way we have treated 17 up to the end. Comme ça, until we go to 1 hour. Il est 1 heure. Oui. And 1 is also feminine. So you say il est 1 heure, 1 hour. Just like we had 21, exactement. So il est 1 heure, etc. And we go on until we come to 17 o'clock. Any questions so far?